What if you have an expert sitting right next to you while editing your videos? That's exactly what Google AI Studio feels like. An interactive assistant guiding you every step of the way. Hi, I am Kamis from Easy How To, where I break down complicated tasks into simple steps for you. Let's dive in. Today, we are using Google AI Studio and Camtasia to make video editing simple. Google AI Studio is free, interactive, and works just like ChatGPT, but with screen sharing feature that makes learning super easy. Camtasia is one of the easiest video editing tools, and Google AI Studio will guide us through using it. But what makes Google AI Studio a game changer? To answer this question, imagine sharing your screen and asking questions like, how do I zoom in? Or how do I trim this? It's like having an expert editor guide you step by step. And did I mention it's free? Step 1. Access Google AI Studio. To get started, click the link in the video description to visit Google AI Studio website. Sign in or create an account to get started. Once you are in, simply click on Stream Real Time and then select the screen feature. Let me know in the comments what's the first question you will ask Google AI Studio while editing. Step 2. Set up your editing workflow. We are going to use Google AI Studio as our guide and Camtasia as our editing software. For example, I will ask a question. How do I cut this clip? How to add a zoom effect? Step 3. Start editing with Google AI Studio. Let's share our screen and work with Google AI Studio. I will upload a video clip into Camtasia and ask questions. I want to add a footage here. How can I do that?
Okay, you would like to add footage to the timeline. You can do this by dragging the file from the media bin onto the timeline. Yes, that's how you add footage to the timeline. What would you like to do next?
How can I make this footage smoothly appear on the screen?
To make the footage appear smoothly, you can add a behavior to it. You can find the behavior options on the left-hand side panel of the application. You have the behaviors options open now. What specific behavior would you like to add to the footage?
I want a smooth transition. What behavior do you suggest?
You can use the sliding behavior for a smooth transition.
Okay, how can I add it?
You can add it by dragging the sliding behavior option from the left panel and dropping it on the footage clip on the timeline.
Okay, I have done that, but I see some options here, in, during, and out. And I don't know how to do the setting. Can you help me with that?
Of course I can help you with that. To make the transition smooth, you should set the during property to none. This means the sliding behavior will only affect the in and out of the clip.
I have a problem here. This background not covering the video properly. Can you see at the edge here? It's not covering it properly. How can I solve this?
Okay, I see the problem. The background is not fully covering the video. To fix this, you will need to click during and set the style to none.
Let me play again and see. Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Great. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, thank you. When I started, I had no idea how to perform these tasks, and I had to watch a lot of editing tutorials to figure things out. With Google Studio, it's so much easier because I can just ask a question and get instant answers, saving me tons and tons of time. Hit that subscribe button. Your support means a lot. Why this workflow is perfect for creators. With Google AI Studio answering your questions, you will never feel stuck during editing. It's perfect for creators who want professional results without spending hours figuring things out. This workflow is very helpful for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by editing tools. Now you have seen how Google AI Studio can assist you with editing workflow, but there is another use case that's going to change content creation. Click this video to see how.